wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large hill of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? Blue. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking alone and singing a song.
Wow. ¿Qué dice acá?
Oh, so awesome.
Very good.
I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a large pile of mud. Did Pete cry?
¿Qué dice?
What color did it turn into? What color did it turn into? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking alone.
No. He kept. Okay.
Walking alone and singing a song.
¿Qué dice aquí?
Goodies.
Groovy.
Goodies. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no, Pete stepped in a bucket of water. And all the brown, and all the blue, and all the red were washed away. What color were his shoes again? White. But now they are wet.
No, they were.
They were wet.
Okay.
Did Pete cry? Goodness no. He kept walking along and singing a song, rock and roll. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. Skip, skip,
Squeaky, squeaky, squeaky.
The
Moral.
moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking alone and singing your song.
Oh,
She's adorable.
I see.
Because it's all good.
Very good.
Now you